saying that.
Okay, we are hiking Mcafee's Knob right now. Hello. Hi.
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 Greetings.
What's up?
It's awesome. This is great. It's beautiful. I love Virginia.
Whoa.
I'm becoming a Confederate more quickly every day.
There's nothing hokey about it.
Ah, yes, that brings it.
I didn't get that, actually.
I said that.
I know. Okay, well, we will stop this now.
We are now near the top. Slowly but surely, more slowly than surely, making it.
Hi, Shirley, Hannah.
A beautiful day here. We have 3 tired young people here.
Hello.
And then 1 tired guy here. And we are about to rest up here for the final mile straight up to, what's this called? Mcafee's Knob. We'll be back with later report. Bye-bye.
Way different people get in it.
Hello again. We are...
Hi.
How much further do we have to go?
It's not very far, but we take very frequent breaks.
Yeah.
Which extends the trip.
Whoa, what am I doing? I'm so used to looking in the thing. Okay. Anyway, yeah. What do we have, like half a mile left, maybe?
I think so.
Yeah, okay. We'll see you when we get there. Bye.
So we made it.
I want to move to Virginia.
We made it.
Yay!
Yeah.
This is
And
gorgeous.
Chris, instead of looking at the view, is looking at his camera.
Okay.
Oh, look at the color. This is just... I don't really know how to set it properly.
Look down there.
I believe north is...
I can sit right here.
I've sat here before.
Marcy.
What?
Oh, hi. Are you recording? Hi.
Is it ready just to snap here?
Yeah. Okay, now we've been on the fire trail for a while, and we're walking, and
We're walking.
yeah, we are walking.
And we're suffering.
Deja vu moment. Oh,
We're suffering a bit.
hi.
Is it still on? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, here. Okay, I got it for a little while. Okay, whose turn next? Chris, it's your turn. You gotta hold it on. Are you still holding? Oh my gosh. Mud.
It's still awfully high. You're getting way too long.
It's gonna be like all bumpy.